Hello. If you've just become the proud owner of a new iPhone, but you are getting completely confused by the complexities of the screen, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to my channel. My name is Adrian, and I'm the iPhone vet. I've been creating video tutorials for seniors and beginners to help them make the best use of this amazing device. And amazing is no exaggeration. 30 years ago, how many people would have considered that a device of this size could do so many things? You're aware that it's a phone and a camera, but those only scratch the surface of what this bit of amazing technology can do. Shopping lists, reminders, clocks and calendars are some of the simpler tasks that it takes in its stride. The important word here is simpler. It all looks unbelievably complicated, rather like the car did when you first sat in it for your first driving lesson. How on earth were you supposed to combine the use of the steering wheel, the accelerator, the clutch, do you remember those, and the indicators, as well as the oncoming traffic? Now, thanks to your instructor, you barely give your driving skills a second thought. I've been teaching people of all ages how to use their home computers for many years. I've written many books on the subject, which have sold more than 25,000 copies worldwide. I will guide you gently through the complexities of this technological marvel to make your life so much easier and give you more time to enjoy the things that you do. Let's start the journey. Come on in.